How's it going, everybody? Greg and Brandon here at the Fitzpatrick Arena, as you just saw. Super excited for Saturday. ETC is happening, our 20th anniversary, our 20th year that we have had the ETC conference. So we're super excited. We're excited that you're going to be joining us this year. We want you to be prepared, though. We want you to be ready for the day. The one thing we want to let you know is, since it's our 20th year, we're going to be selling these really cool 20th year ETC t-shirts.
That's awesome.
$10, Brandon Shutt.
No, $100 each.
$10 is how much the ETC shirt is going to be this year. So if you would like to buy one, please bring your money. Get ready to grab one. It's unique.
That's a good point, Greg, because it is cash only, correct?
That is true.
Yes.
That is true. No Bitcoin this year.
Bitcoin.
So just make sure you're prepared. You're going to want to get this shirt. It's one-time only shirt that you can pick up on the day of the event. What else, Brandon?
Cool. This year we are online only with our schedule. So no more printed out booklets. This year you're going to actually download the app to check out the sched, or you can visit it at our etc.sandco.org website. If you visit there first, you can see the sched listed out, or you can download the apps through the iTunes App Store or Google Play. And here's a little example of what to expect on our online sched. I will take it over inside in just a second. Why does my voice sound different? Interesting. The easiest way to view our online schedule is to visit etc.standco.org and scroll down just a bit until you see the schedule listed here. If you are using a mobile device, you can use the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to download the app. From your browser, you can view the schedule by time, filter by type, or search for a specific session or presenter. By hovering over a session, you can see the description, feedback survey, presenter, place, and any resources the presenter has provided. Remember, each survey that you fill out for each session that you attend will earn you a raffle entry for our end of the day raffle.
Yeah. Woo!
Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Greg Eilers from the County Office of Education, and I hope you are looking forward to the ETC conference as much as I am. It is this Saturday, February 23rd, and I wanted to make a quick video on how to use the sched app on your mobile device. So as you can see, I have the ETC 2019 app already downloaded to my iOS device. This is also available on Android. And we've got an app this year. Usually you access it through your web browser or something like that, but through sched, you can actually download the app specific to our conference. So depending on what device you have, if you are an iPhone user like myself, I'm going to go to the App Store and I'm going to search ETC 2019. Got to have the exclamation mark and notice that there's no space. Once you find it, go ahead and download it and you'll see it appear right on your iPhone. Again, same thing for Android users. Go to your Google Play Store, search ETC exclamation mark 2019, and you will find it within there. When you are there, go ahead and load your app. And the first thing you're going to want to do is sign in with your sched credentials. Now, I don't know what your sched credentials are, but depending on how you register for the conference, you should use that email address that you used, because that's what sched is going to recognize as your ETC account. So you can see my picture up here. I've already signed into my sched, and the reason why I want to do that is so I can personalize my schedule of sessions that I want to attend for the day. So as you can see, I've already checked in to conference registration, continuing education unit, opening remarks, exhibitor hall. And the reason why that's cool is, if you've never used sched before, this is a great way to organize your day, right? So it keeps you on track of what you're going to see, when you're going to see it. Okay. It also is a good way, if a room is too full, you can then look to your kind of plan B or your second choice and run over to that room instead if, again, the room is too full. I do want to clarify, though, just because you put a check mark on a session doesn't reserve you a seat. All it's doing is it's just adding that session to your sched, so it's more of a reference for you. All right, so again, I want to clarify, just because I select Eddie Campos's Bootstrap coding video games with algebra does not reserve me a seat in his session. It just is something for me to check back and go, oh yeah, I remember when I was looking at the sched, that was a session I wanted to go to. So just make sure you understand that checking a session does not reserve you a seat. All right, so that's just a little information about sched. If you touch the 3 lines in the upper left, you can filter by venue or category strand. So for example, if I want to search all educational technology sessions, I select that strand and I can focus on that. So if there's something specific you're looking for at ETC, this is a great way to kind of filter your search and look through those types of sessions that you want to attend. So maybe you're going for Google. You can simply tap Google, look through all of the Google sessions that are being offered, find the one you want, add it to your sched, and therefore you will remember that once you scroll through, oh yeah, I wanted to go to Marshall Byers Beyond the Presentation right after lunch. So that's a great way to use sched. Again, it keeps you organized in what you're doing throughout the day. We want this experience to be very successful for you and an enjoyable day, and sched makes it very easy to do that. So remember to go ahead and get the app for your iPhone or Android device. Get it downloaded before Saturday, because remember, the conference is all digital. There will be no paper programs this year. So make sure that you are using it on your device to where you can see what session you want to go to and when. All right. Last thing, you can get to the sched via desktop or laptop. So if you're bringing that, you can definitely go to etc2019.sched.com and locate the schedule that way as well. Whatever is easier for you. I just know most people will be on their mobile device, and that is the device that most people will use to access their sched. All right, so there you go. ETC 2019, my sched. Get it organized. There's going to be a lot of sessions that you're going to want to attend. It's going to be exciting. Okay, and we look forward to seeing you on the day. Come prepared to learn. It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of networking, and just a great day. Also, make sure that you check out the Makerspace Playgrounds in the library, which is going to be happening from 9:30 to 2:30. So if you want to come and play and get your hands on with some bots, some Minecraft, some makey-makeys, a lot of just different cool stuff that you can come and check out. So we'll see you on Saturday, ETC 2019.